How to change WhatsApp chat background on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the WhatsApp Communities page. Communities bring members together in topic-based groups. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Settings on the right corner. Here, scroll down and go to Chats. Then, tap on Default Chat Theme at the top. Go to the Customize section below and tap on Wallpaper. You can view all the available wallpapers over here. Tap on any wallpaper and then swipe to get a preview of these wallpapers. Choose the wallpaper that you like from here. And then tap on Set at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily change WhatsApp chat background on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.